All right, we're walking back to Tahquamenon Falls. Susie's up there at the casino winning money. She's gonna win this time. Beautiful evening. We had quite a thunderstorm roll through. And now I'm just taking a walk down by Lake Huron. Enjoying our time in St. Ignace. Ready to go on up to Paradise, Michigan to Tahquamenon Falls next.
Camper's always pulled, I guess, behind the truck.
Turn right onto the I-75 North ramp.
All right, we're back on the road. We've only got an hour drive up to Tahquamenon Falls. Spending the rest of our month here in August and part of September in the UP. And we only have a couple more miles of this highway, and then we get off and take a 2-lane road all the way up to Paradise, Michigan. We're going to be at Tahquamenon Falls for 5 days. So we're looking forward to that. I think I got a spot where Starlink will work. And only thing bad is it's supposed to rain about 3 or 4 of the next 5 days. So that's no fun. Anyway, we're doing good. The kitties are doing good. Catch you on the flip side. Yep. Okay, we made it to Tahquamenon Falls, and at this point we're needing to put in water because our site only has electricity. So we're here filling up, got the car unhooked. Tow car's been doing really good. Need to do a video on how to pull a 22 Equinox. And then right now we're getting water put in there. Beautiful day. It's like 74 degrees. Got here in less than an hour. Well, this is the Rivermouth campground, and there's about maybe 50 reserve sites that we're in that have electricity. And then this area that we just walked through has probably 50 more sites, if not more, for rustic. No electricity, no generators, no reservations. So, kind of reminds us of our old days in the van where we could camp anywhere because we had solar on the roof. It was nice. Sure is pretty here tonight, out here on this river.
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love, lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love.
Upper Falls. Alright, we're walking back to Tahquamenon Falls. It's in the evening. We decided to come when there wouldn't be so many people because we're here on the weekend and it's insane. I was going to bring my drone down and fly over the falls to show you how beautiful it is. And there was a sign that Sue noticed, I didn't. Said no drone zone.
We're fast when the garden won't stop
And the
giving
falls.
it back. Honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like that.
Oh yeah.
Talk to me and tell me all that you see, all the colors. Summer love, memories washed in every shade of green and all the colors. Summer love, remember the lazy river day canoe, bathing in the turquoise blue, losing track of time with you. Another beach high sunset view, sleeping in the afternoon, no place to be. That's sure something I could use.
Well, I made it to the falls. But I wanted to fly my drone over the edge. Bummed out about that. But it's beautiful.
For the air conditioning. Could use some too. A little bit of sunlight.
I don't know what it is about waterfalls that attracts us humans, but we just love to see water cascade with power. Maybe that's it, it's the power, the force. Now I'll go back up the 85 steps and find my Susie. Beautiful evening in the woods. Alright, we are going to the lower Tahquamenon Falls, which are not as spectacular and which a lot of people go swimming here. So we will see how this goes. Beautiful day again though. 74 degrees. I love it. It's a long ways back here. Woodpeckers are having a good time with that tree. Look where they got their lawn chairs. Oh Susie's waiting for me. Well, we had a good hike. I would say it's rather people-y though. And, I don't know, maybe a mile and a half, 2 miles round trip. I was expecting one falls. Turns out there's lots of falls.